What is the best day to buy stock? Anyone can participate in online trading. When you have a computer with very good internet connection, appropriate software, you could have direct access and then venture on this kind of business. Online investing can be achieved on several choices and classes of engagements, just like having your money to purchase certain currency, stocks, selling of products, buy bonds, goods, and also other services. Online trading is usually a complicated business, however you will get acquainted with it as you go on. Others do not want to set out to online investing except if they first supply themselves of its details with the short tutorials and training with regards to day trading. In short, they intend to make this as their career. They know that there should be political, good financial and social analysts where they are able to contact with and throw concern at any time as per transaction basis. Experts offer their advice at no cost to close friends. Others are there to present professional advice for just a minimal retainer-based fee. They will likely filter things out and narrow the selection method for you. They will supply you with the best possible methods and solutions prior to deciding to commit. Forecasting skills, scientific-based analysis, and technical know-how are important skills for online day trading, which includes a good software backup. Therefore, grabbing an opportunity to actively invest your hard-earned money has a great deal of watching out. You have to be ready to choose and get by far the most advantageous price whenever they puff up. Get a good team of advisor. Enroll into seminars about this business. You want to have good education, be informed and trained about stocks and day trading. Focus on what you need and specialize on it. Several have been said already. We can at this point draw conclusion. Online stock trading could be as known as one of the many careers you could try. Other people don't succeed to business for the reason that this business is challenging and unpredictable to lazy observers and sensitive to those who are unlikely and procrastinators. Certainly it reacts to problems as well as senses hazards, but this is normal, which enables it to be used just as one advantage to business. You must have the latest software to process your data quick and fast. Although this is the most difficult job and at the very same time a very good source of income for these people who are trained, skillful, as well as good decision makers.